Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm in Facebook jail again, so if you're watching this, you're probably on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for us. This is some cool stuff we got in today. This right here is a Taurus Judge. You know how hard those are to get. We've got two of them actually. This right here, check this out. This is a Ruger. Nice Ruger revolver. Got a King Cobra here by Colt. This is a Colt King Cobra. Got a Thrump 1911. Ain't that awesome? Got a Thrump Glock. Got a North American Arms gun. This gun's actually marked down, call us for price. And I got a security Ruger Light Rack 380. Security 380. But the big boy here, I just want to show you guys this. This is a 30-06. It's from Winchester. It's one of 500. They only made 500 of these bad boys. I'm going to try to show you real well what it says there. This is Texas Ranchers 200th anniversary. Rangers, I'm sorry, not Ranchers. All that engraving work. I'm going to turn it over and show you the other side. Remember, I'm not Van White, but I try. All right. The other side's got all that decorative engraving. And the other side has this here on the stock. Ain't that sweet, boy? 30-06. One of 500 that'll ever be made. That's going to be on the website soon. If you're interested, give us a call. Remember, we're in Facebook jail, but we're still on TikTok, Truth Social, and YouTube. Thank y'all. Have a Happy New Year.